once again.
Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Amreen Rafi, Max YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell button. Class 10 Max Lesson 2 Polynomial Exercise 2.2. The first question, third one. What quadratic equation they are given? 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Just we can rearrange and write according to the general form. Or general form, what we will write? Ax square plus bx plus c. Constant we will write at last. So minus 3 we can write at last. So 6x square minus 7x minus 3. The first step, we can find out the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So what is a quadratic polynomial? 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So what is the coefficient? 6. Here the constant term is minus 3. 6 3s are 18, plus into minus minus, so minus 18. So if you multiply two number, answer want to come minus 18. If you add this two number, answer want to come minus 7. What number you will get? I will consider 2 and 9. Check it. 9 2s are 18. 9 you subtract 2, you will get sign minus. Here the minus sign, so the biggest number we can write minus. See, plus into minus minus. 2 9s are 18. Minus 9 you subtract 2, you will get minus 7. Now we can simplify. Equal to first term we can write as it is 6x square. Second term only we have splitter 2 and minus 9. So plus 2x minus 9x. Last term we can write as it is minus 3. Equal to, in the first two term which is common. So here x squared, here x. So x is common. And here coming 2 table. And 6 also we can write 2 3s are. So 2 is common and x also common. So 2x we can take it outside. 2 and x if you take, you will get first term, the remaining number is 3x. Plus in the second term your 2x you are taken out, now there is no number, so you will write 1. In this which is common, here x having, here not having x, so x you should not take. But 3 and 9 both are coming 3 table. 9 we can write 3 3s are. And minus also common. So minus you can take, and 1 3 we can take it out. Then what you will get remaining? 3x. Minus you taken out, then you write plus. 3 you taken out, there is no numbers in that term, so you can write 1. See, both the bracket answers are coming same. If the answers are not same in the bracket, you did some mistake, you check it. Now here the brackets answers are same. So bracket write 3x plus 1. What is the remaining? 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. Now we find out the zeros of the polynomial. Here the first 0 is 3x plus 1 equal to 0. If you transfer plus 1 to that side, 3x equal to minus 1, then x equal to minus 1. Multiplication 3, if you transfer, you will get denominator 3. Then x equal to minus 1 by 3. Similarly, the second one, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 if you transfer, 2x equal to plus 3. Multiplication 2 you transfer, then x equal to 3 divided by 2. So one x value is minus 1 by 3, another x value is 3 by 2. So first step we find this is the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Second step is verification. Before that, one x value we consider as alpha minus 1 by 3. Another x value we consider as beta 3 divided by 2. So the next step we are going to verify. So verify. Before verification, first we can write alpha, beta value, a, b, c value. So here alpha is minus 1 by 3 and beta equal to 3 divided by 2. In your equation, a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to minus 3. Now the first one is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. What is the formula? Sum of 0 minus b by a. Sum of 0 means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So alpha answer minus 1 by 3 and beta 3 by 2. I am writing minus 1 by 3 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to minus, what is the b value? Minus 7 divided by a value is 6. Here the denominators are not same, so you can take LCM or cross multiplication. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 3s are 9, the denominator 2 3s are 6. Here minus into minus plus 7 by 6. So 9 you subtract 2, you will get 7, the denominator is 6. So here also 7 by 6. So the sum of 0 is both the sides are equal. We have verified. Next we are going to verify the product of zeros. Now I am writing the product of zeros. Product of 0. What is the formula for product of 0? Did you remember? C by A. So alpha into beta equal to C by A. Already you know that. Just you can recall, alpha value we consider minus 1 by 3 and beta value is 3 by 2. I am writing as it is. What C we consider? C value is minus 3 and A value is 6. 3 and 3 we can cancel, and what you will get? Minus 1 by 2. Similarly, in the right hand side also 3 and 6. If you cancel, you will get minus 1 by 2. So, minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Sum of zeros also we verified. Product of zeros also we verified. So, hence verified. Thank you.